So what I'd like to explain you now is how to work the Tunisian Simple Stitch. So see, we've been doing a foundation forward pass, we've been doing a standard return pass, so we have the basic there, and now we're going to work a Tunisian Simple Stitch, and that is, as the word says, very simple. So you always skip that first bar there, the first vertical bar, you always skip it, whatever you do. So we're going to go and hook into that next vertical bar here. So you insert your hook under the bar, yarn over, and you pull up a loop. And that's it. Next vertical bar there, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. There's the third vertical bar. You see the third, the fourth, you see the vertical bars there. Constantly the same. You insert your hook, you yarn over, you pull up a loop, and you leave those loops on your hook. So I'll continue like that to the end of this little work. Try not to work too tight with Tunisian crochet because it has a tendency to curl up when you work very tight, and if you see that it curls up a lot, you might want to go up a hook size. So there we go, Tunisian Simple Stitch all the way till the end, and here too we work a standard return pass. So the standard return always starts with a yarn over, pull through one loop, then yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two, all the way until the beginning of your row. So you never turn your work. Something stuck there. Is yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through the last two, and you'll have one loop on your hook. And that is your first row of Tunisian Simple Stitch. And so you continue like that.